Alleged abduction of a sitting president raises serious questions about international law. The alleged detention and transfer of a sitting president of a sovereign state to the United States for prosecution under U.S. law has triggered widespread controversy and intense debate over the limits of international authority, state sovereignty, and the rule of law. If confirmed, such an action would represent an unprecedented move in modern international relations. Under established principles of international law, heads of state are generally protected by sovereign immunity, and no single country has the unilateral right to arrest or try a sitting leader of another sovereign nation outside recognized international legal mechanisms. Legal experts argue that bypassing multilateral institutions and established judicial frameworks risks undermining the global order built on mutual respect for sovereignty. Critics say the incident exposes a troubling imbalance in how power and law are applied on the world stage, where political influence appears to outweigh legal consistency. The controversy has also sparked criticism of U.S. leadership, with opponents claiming that such actions damage America's moral standing and credibility while placing the country's own citizens in an uncomfortable position internationally. According to these critics, justice cannot be selective, nor can it be imposed solely by the most powerful actors. Countries and political actors that publicly support the move have also come under scrutiny, as observers question whether endorsing unilateral enforcement action sets a dangerous precedent, one that could later be used against any nation, regardless of size or influence. At the center of the debate lies a fundamental question. Under what legal authority can a sovereign leader be detained and tried under the domestic law of another country? Without a clear mandate from international courts or multilateral agreements, critics argue that such actions risk being viewed not as justice, but as coercion. As the international community watches closely, the case has become a stark reminder that the stability of global relations depends not on power alone, but on respect for international law, due process, and equal treatment among nations.